So, Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. So today we are going to present about HR function that will be specified on career development. So for today's presentation, we are going to discuss on the introduction of HRM and HR function, which is career development, and also emerging trends in career development, analysis of emerging trends and benefit, also the conclusion. So let's begin with Christina for the introduction part.
For human resource management is a key organization function focused on effectively utilizing employees to achieve company goals. It includes activities such as staffing, training, compensation, performance management, safety, and employee relation. And modern human resource management is shared responsibility between HR specialists and the managers and require them to adapt due to dynamic and global business environment. As a strategic partner, human resource management aligns employee capabilities with organizational objectives, supports productivities, promotes continuous growth, and emphasizes developing and retain skilled employees who are considered valuable human capital.
Next is the HR function, career development. The definition of career development, according to Cambridge Business English Dictionary, career development is the process of learning and improving your skills so that you can do your job better and progress to better jobs. Career development in human resource management involve designing strategies to support employees' growth by aligning their skills, interests, and goals with a suitable career path within the organization. The second one is benefits. The benefits of career development for employees include enhancing employees' satisfaction by providing opportunities for growth, learning, and advancement. Employees will feel valued and motivated to work even harder and fulfill in their jobs. Then, increasing employees' engagement is also one of the benefits of career development for employees. Employees will be more passionate, productive, and committed to their job responsibilities. Lastly, career development also improve employee retention. Employees stay longer with the organization that support their personal and professional growth. Career development is essential as it not only benefits individual employees but also contributes to the overall success of the organization.
Next, emerging trends in career development. First trend is called data-driven and AI-enabled talent development. These trends highlight how organizations now use AI and people analytics to make smarter decisions about employee skills and development. AI helps identify the skills employees currently have, what skill they will need in the future, and which individuals have high potential. With this information, HR can design personalized development plans and succession plans that are based on real evidence, not assumptions. Another benefit is efficiency. AI automate analyzing rules, which save HR time and speed up the process of filling important position because analytics shows which training programs actually improve performance. HR is able to use the training budget more effectively and focus only on strategies that deliver results. Overall, this trend helps reduce skill gaps, supports better workforce training, and improve organizational performance. Employees have the right capabilities for future goals. However, they are also challenged if the data used by AI is biased or limited. The system may reinforce or below ages. Therefore, organizations must use AI in driven and AI-enabled development strengthens HR decision making and prepares workforce for the future as the technology is recorded.
Okay, so next is the trend 2, which is continuous learning skill agility. So with the rapid pace of technological change and market demands, organizations are moving away from traditional formal training programs in favor of continuous micro-learning approach. So this shift enables the employee to quickly adopt and apply new skill in a real time, which is essential for maintaining a competitive edge between the companies. So micro-learning combined with just-in-time resources are fostered in agile workforce that to respond to shifts in technology and market condition. However, this model requires a robust digital infrastructure and a culture of high employee motivation. Without clear goals, there is a risk that learning could be superficial and hindering the development of deep specialized expertise. So by decentralizing learning, companies can provide training that is more adaptive and accessible to employee. And then the key challenge for this trend is ensuring the digital infrastructure is in place to support the shift that happened. And this trend emphasizes the need for an agile workforce, but there must be a clear alignment between learning activities and organizational goals to avoid learning fatigue. So for the next trend, So next trend is employee experience and career personalization. So personalization in career development focus on offering tailored career path and project assignment that align with an employee individual's preference, capabilities, and objective. So this approach helps reduce turnover by enhancing employee satisfaction and engagement. So as the employees feel more valued and invested in their roles. And by utilizing data such as engagement surveys and sentiments analysis, HR can identify pain points in the employee experience and proactively address issues like poor communication or lack of career progression. However, this trend comes with the need for strong data security measures as any misuse of breach personal information could undermine trust in the system. So to succeed, the companies need to invest in secure, scalable HR technologies that can support personalization without compromising data integrity. So based on these emerging trends in HR, are shaping of the future of work and demand a balance between technological advancement, strategic HR management, and ethical consideration.
For the next part is discussion of benefit for employees. For the train one, data-driven and AI-enabled talent development. This trend benefit employees by giving them a clearer career path and fair opportunities. According to Yanamala 2025, AI-driven talent analytic can assess employee skills, learning preference, and career goals to create personalized training programs and micro-learning modules that improve engagement and knowledge retention. This system helps employees to understand their current capabilities and identify the skills they need to achieve their goals. Employees also receive an individual development plan that helps them focus on training important for their future roles. By identifying potential early, this approach increases access to leadership pathways, mentorship, and stretch assignment. Overall, employees feel more supported and appreciated and motivated because development decisions are based on objective data rather than subjective judgment. Yanamala 2025 also notes that organizations using AI in their training programs experience higher engagement and improve talent development outcomes. For the second trend is continuous learning and skill agility. Continuous learning benefits employees by increasing their motivation and helping them gain new skills as the new technology and methods emerge. Employees can learn new skills and remain competitive in the company. Continuous learning sharpens critical thinking and employees are exposed to new information and perspective. They become better at analyzing complex issues and making strategic decisions. It also gives them confidence in handling tasks and new responsibilities as they continue increased adaptability, enabling employees to adjust smoothly to changes such as new system, updated procedure. Overall, it empowers employees to stay prepared, confident, and motivated in their career. Benefit for the third trend is employee experience and career personalization. Employee experience and career personalization create a meaningful journey for employees. This trend allows employees to receive a career path that match their strengths and passion, helping them feel more connected to their work, providing clear steps, required skills, and target opportunities give employees clarity about their future and helps personalize their career plans. This increased motivation as employees can clearly see how their efforts contribute to their growth. Employees also benefit from development and opportunities such as customized learning modules and preferred work style that support their individual needs. Career personalization is not a single project, but a set of connection practices, including learning and development that work together to align employee goals, needs, and preference. Personalized career path gives employee clear direction and help them build skills more efficiently.
Okay, so now I will explain on how these trends bring important to organizations. The first trend is data-driven and AI-enabled talent development. It helps organizations make smarter decisions about their workforce. By using data and AI tools, companies can clearly see what skills the employee have and what skills they need to improve. This allows the organization to provide more targeted and effective training instead of wasting time and money on programs that are too general. AI also helps make performance evaluations more fair and consistent, which reduces bias and keeps employees motivated. With better information, managers can identify future leaders earlier and prepare them for important roles. Overall, this trend helps the organization become more efficient, more productive, and more competitive. The next trend is continuous learning and skill agility. This helps organizations build a workforce that is flexible and ready for change. Today, technology and job requirements change very quickly, so companies need employees who can learn new skills at any time. When employees are encouraged to learn continuously, they become more adaptable and confident when facing new tools or processes. This reduces skill gaps and makes it easier for the organization to introduce new systems without slowing down operation. A strong learning culture also encourages new ideas, creativity, and innovation. As employees improve their skills, the overall productivity of the organization increases and the company becomes stronger and more prepared for future challenges. Lastly, employee experience and career personalization. It brings many long-term benefits to organizations. When companies design career paths, work conditions, and development opportunities based on each employee's needs, it creates more motivated and more committed workforce. Employees who feel supported are more loyal, which reduces turnover and saves the company money on hiring and training new staff. Personalized career support also helps employees understand their future in the organization, which increases engagement and performance. A positive employee experience strengthens workplace culture, improves teamwork, and makes the organization more attractive to new talent. In the long run, this leads to higher productivity and a more dedicated workforce that supports the company's success.
So, in conclusion, career development supports employee growth and organizational success. In the three emerging trends that has been stated, which is data-driven practices, skill-focused learning, and employee-centered approaches, show a shift from traditional human resource methods to fairer and more effective strategies. These trends make development plans more accurate, prepare employee for a fast-charging workplace, and boost motivation and also boost long-term commitment. Overall, they strengthen human resource management's role in promoting sustainable career development and long-term organizational success.
That's all from us for presenting about HR function. about career development. Thank you.